Hi everybody, welcome back to Grow What You Know. I'm Nat Kelley, and today I'm going to share 3 ways you can regenerate America. If we want to see large-scale change and a food system rooted in justice for the soil and for us humans, then we need to change things on a policy level. The good news is you can have a direct impact on a local, state, and federal level. First, you can talk to local leaders about prioritizing local and organic food for government programs like schools, prisons, and emergency feeding services. By changing these policies, we can support local farmers while also ensuring that people have access to healthy food. Second, learn more about soil health policies that are being proposed in your state. Call your representatives directly, or participate in a letter writing campaign, or even write your own letter to the editor. Encouraging people in power to get these bills passed is the essence of grassroots advocacy. Third, get involved in the Regenerate America campaign. This national campaign is led by an unprecedented coalition of farmers, businesses, nonprofits, and individuals from every corner of the country and all political stripes. We are making sure that farmers and the people they feed are getting as much voice and representation in DC as corporate agribusiness. To learn more about the possibilities of regeneration and watch more of Kiss the Ground's videos, you can subscribe to KTG's YouTube channel below. To find out more about our policy program and the action steps you can take now, check out the links below.